Today's episode is on the power of science books, unlocking knowledge, inspiring curiosity. Science books have always been a bridge between curiosity and understanding. They transform complex concepts into engaging stories, explain the marvels of nature, and make the mysteries of the universe accessible to everyone. From the intricacies of DNA to the wonders of space exploration, science books help us explore worlds beyond imagination. For young learners, they ignite a love for discovery. For professionals, they offer a deeper dive into specialized fields. And for everyday readers, science books make knowledge an adventure. Titles covering physics, chemistry, biology, and astronomy don't just educate, they inspire us to ask questions, think critically, and dream big. If you're a fan of science books, there's one title you don't want to miss: Interesting Facts About All Elements of the Periodic Table. This book offers a fascinating journey through the periodic table, bringing each of the 118 elements to life. Packed with intriguing details about their symbols, properties, uses, and discoveries, it's perfect for students, educators, and anyone who loves chemistry. Ever wondered how nitrogen is essential for life or how oxygen fuels combustion? Want to know why gold has been valued for centuries or how uranium powers nuclear energy? This book provides answers, complete with easy to read tables and visuals that make learning both fun and effective. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge or introduce someone to the beauty of science, Interesting Facts About All Elements of the Periodic Table is an excellent addition to any bookshelf. Science books open doors to limitless possibilities. They inspire us to question the world around us and equip us with the knowledge to make a difference. Pick up a science book today and let your curiosity lead the way. And don't forget to grab your copy of Interesting Facts About All Elements of the Periodic Table to start your exploration of chemistry like never before.